So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error when you open a text file or a notepad file and it says package failed updates, dependency or conflict validation. So I have a fix for this. So how to do this? Let's get started. Just click OK first here, and once you close this, click on your start menu and then open settings. Once you open settings, go over to apps and click on apps and features. Then search for the app which is giving the error, and for my case we have notepad, so I'll just search notepad and click on these three dots. Once you click on this, click on advanced options and then scroll down a bit, and here you'll find reset options. First click on repair, and once the repair completes then click on reset. It will permanently read the app's data, not your PC's data, so it is safe to do this, and it will reset your app's preferences and everything. Just reset it, and once the reset completes, just close settings and everything and restart your PC. After restarting, just open your text file, and here you can see mine is working. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.